Welcome to Neena's Thai Kitchen. For today's episode of Brunch Recipe, we're going to show you how to cook Thai green curry chicken or kaeng Kiew Wan gai. Green curry is very popular among Thai people and it's my all-time favorite. When I cook green curry, I love to put chicken in there, bamboo shoot and eggplant. You can basically put any kind of meat, chicken, beef, pork, tofu, seafood, and all kinds of vegetables. It will taste amazing.
Step 1. Marinate meat. See the grain or the muscle line. Slice against the grain so that the meat won't be too tough. Marinate it for at least 15 minutes. Step 2. Prepare vegetables. We need 2 to 3 cups of vegetables. I cannot find the fresh bamboo shoot, so I will use the canned one. It needs to be soaked in hot water for 5 minutes or to boil it for about 2 minutes and drain the water out. You can add any kind of vegetable in this green curry and it will come out great. This dish will be good for vegetarian because you can add all kinds of vegetable and you can use tofu instead of chicken. For kaffir long leaf, just tear it apart from the middle stems. For basil, just pick leaves out of the stem. Let's cook. At medium heat, add 2 tablespoons of oil, 4 tablespoons of coconut milk. I prefer the top part of the can, which is the richest Stir one. To get the oil out from the coconut milk. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons of green curry paste. Stir until aromatic, about 2 to 3 minutes. Add chicken, palm sugar, and fish sauce. Mix it well together to get the green curry flavor into chicken. Stir about 1 minute. Chicken doesn't need to be cooked at this point. Add the rest of the coconut milk and half cup of chicken broth. I blended basil with chicken broth to increase the green color of the curry and to add more basil aroma. Now we're going to add all of the vegetables. Increase the heat to a boil. Then simmer it for about 3 to 5 minutes or until vegetable is cooked.
Wow, look at that.
It's perfect. The last step is adding basil and bell pepper, and you can turn off the stove right away. It's done. Creamy, spicy, and delicious. It's great with rice, vermicelli, and don't forget Thai chili and fish sauce. This is how I eat it. Yummy!
Thank you for watching, and this is it for this episode of Brunch Recipe. What would you like us to cook next? See you next time!